Okay guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. This is quick shorts. So during this lockdown period, I see lots of people trying to get into cryptocurrency. And unfortunately, I can't go to the studio where I shoot my videos because it's in another part of town. And because of the lockdown, I can't really be doing non-essential travels because we are all supposed to stay home and make sure that we do not make the situation worse, basically. So I'm going to be doing quick shots. Quick shots are videos where you won't be seeing my face, you'll be hearing my voice as I do stuff on the screen. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Paxful in Ghana. So let's get started. So you visit the Paxful site and you hit create account. And then you create an account. So I have an email here, which is just for demos. So if you probably want to go hack this account, I don't know why you would do that because it's just a demo account. So I'm going to think of a password. Now the password has to have a capital letter. So Ghana with a capital G, a number 1957, a special character, $2 signs, and yeah, we're done. The password is strong. So you're going to click on create a free Paxful account, and then you have to complete this quick security feature. And then, okay, I'm going to save the password. It says, welcome. You now have a free Bitcoin wallet, 300 plus ways to buy and sell Bitcoin, a unique code for your future affiliates, all thanks to World News Africa. And I explain what that means in a couple of seconds. So what I'm going to do right now is go to my demo email account. So now that I have verified my Paxful account, I'm going to have to select a username. So it says Rolled Bats 577. I don't know why Paxful comes up with these names, but some of them are really ridiculous. Not in a bad way, but in a good way. So I'm going to set up a username. I'm going to go with Crypto Demo 2020. I'm going to click Save. Then I'm going to have to enter a mobile number. So whatever mobile number you have, you enter it here. And then they're going to send you a code via SMS, or they're going to call you. Whatever way is best for you, you select it, and then you enter the code over there, and then you set up a biography for your Paxful profile. You select your preferred currency, which is Ghana Cedi, and then you select your notification preferences. So notifications go here, email notifications go to your email, and SMS comes straight to your number via text message. So you select your notification preferences, and then you save changes, and the changes get saved. So I'm not going to be putting my number in here because this is, as I said, a demo. You would then have to go ahead and verify your ID. So when it comes to ID verification, you have to verify your phone number before you're able to verify your ID. You can verify your ID with a passport, driver's license, or voter's ID card. After that, you can also add another layer of verification, which will give you more features, which is to verify your address. So let's say you're done with doing all of that and you want to buy Bitcoin with Paxful in Ghana. What will you do? Now you go to the main page, and then you go to you select a currency, right? So you click on any currency, and you're looking for GHS, Ghana Cedi, the only GHS on Paxful. And you select your payment option, which is mobile money. So it says buying Bitcoin with mobile money, MTN Mobile Money. You can select Airtel Money, which is now Airtel Money, and Bitcoin with Airtel Money, or Western Union, buy Bitcoin with Western Union. So any of that works. I want to use mobile money. So I want to buy 500 Ghana Cedis worth of Bitcoin. So I want to buy 500 Ghana Cedis worth of Bitcoin. So now I'm going to click on search for offers after I enter the 500 Cedis. So this is the amount I'm going to be paying, and this is the amount I'm going to be receiving in Bitcoin. This is an estimate based on the current price of Bitcoin, which is 39356.7. So I go to search for offers, and I can finally see all the offers available. So how to find out if someone who's selling Bitcoin. So how to find out if someone who's selling Bitcoin on Paxful can be trusted is by looking at the number of trades they've done and the number of people that have given them a positive review. So we are looking at Womb Penny, right? He has 993 positive reviews, and is someone who's fairly mostly online. Last seen 44 minutes ago. And mind you, I'm recording this at midnight. So that means the person is very active. Then this is Honest125. Apparently from his name, he must be honest. And he was last seen 21 minutes ago. And then there's Trust in Him. Very interesting name with 621 positive reviews. There's another guy here who is Brush658, 346 positive reviews, which means there's a likelihood that these people are users that have been using Paxful for a long time and have done so many trades with other people. So I'm going to click on buy. And at this point, this is where I can't continue because I need to verify my email and phone. But I'm going to describe how the process looks like after here to you so you have an idea. So after you get to this place, you can change the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in Ghana Cedi. But since we've already agreed you're buying 500 Cedis, this is the estimate of the amount you're going to get. You're going to have to click the Buy Now button. And after you click the Buy Now button, you are going to enter an escrow chat with this guy or this girl or they, right? So after you enter the chat, you're going to ask the person for the person's mobile number for the MTN Mobile Money transaction. After you send the transaction to the person, then you will tell the person that you have sent the transaction, and the person will confirm that they have received it. After that, you have to go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the paid button. It will be somewhere around here, the paid button. After you click on the paid button, the person selling will then confirm to pay to Paxful, that they have received the money that you have sent. After you confirm that you have sent the money and they also confirm, then Bitcoin is then immediately transferred to your account. And voila, you just bought Bitcoin. Now, beyond just buying Bitcoin, this video also has something for you. So instead of just buying Bitcoin and then walking away, how about if you earn $5 for the first month you sign up on Paxful? You can do this by signing up using our referral link in the description below. Our referral link gives you 5 USD if one, you sign up with Paxful using our referral link, two, verify your account with your ID, and finally, do at least one transaction. At the end of the month, you get 5 USD for your first month on Paxful. This is basically the way to use Paxful to buy Bitcoin in Ghana. Instead of mobile money, you can use all the other payment platforms like bank transfer, Western Union, Cheaper Cash, Perfect Money, and 300 more, as you can see over here. If you have any questions, please ask inside the comment section below. I'll be doing more short clips like this, explaining how to do things in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This is my first one, so I'm a little rusty. But see you again in a couple of days. Thank you.